Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, confirm your identity to send messages Messenger DM problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're trying to verify yourself or you're getting this, let's just say this pop-up here inside Messenger and you can't properly use the app, well, there are a few things that you may want to understand here. Now, the thing with video selfies here, this is a security feature that Messenger has implemented on their platform. So, meaning in order for you to start using platforms and even access certain messages inside or chats inside your account, you need to verify yourself. But the thing with this one is sometimes if you already verify yourself, it will basically be in a loop. So if you complete the video selfie here, sometimes it will still ask you to verify yourself via video selfie. So how do you fix it? Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. So in this case, you want to go and just head over into the main screen on your phone, go to Google Play Store, go to the search bar here, and just basically search for Messenger. Now, from here, look for Messenger, and if you do see any update button next to it, or once you visit the app page for Messenger, you just need to make sure that's fully updated. Now, sometimes an app or Messenger not being updated sometimes causes a lot of glitches, so in this case, update the app and see if that helps. Now, also, just make sure to restart the app, so fully close it and basically open it up again and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to update certain details about yourself. So, in this case, usually your Messenger account or Facebook here only verifies yourself or verifies your account through what we call face recognition. So, in this case, you may want to open up Facebook here and you want to go and just go to your account and just make sure to update your profile photo. So in this case, you want to go and just click on the choose profile picture and just upload the appropriate photo that you want to use into your account, and make sure that it's proper or your face is properly visible so that Facebook or Messenger here can actually re-verify that you are the owner of that account, since again Facebook is indirectly or directly connected into Messenger. So in this case, once you updated that, you may want to go ahead and just basically open up Messenger again and do the verification again and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.